This review is of Jade Leaf Cafe Style Sweetened Matcha Latte. Premium Barista-Crafted Mix. It's sugar-free, USDA organic, and thus non-GMO. And oh, by the way, there's no latte in it. It's just matcha. It's sweetened with monk fruit, zero net carbs, zero glycemic index, which means zero glycemic load. And monk fruit, it doesn't actually affect your blood sugar, so that's great. Matcha comes from Japan. I think that's pretty much it. Oh, and erythritol, I think, is also in here. Yeah, right there. Number one ingredient is a sweetener. And this also will not affect your blood sugar more than a tiny bit. So there are only 3 ingredients. Well, that's pretty good. And this is something where you take 2 teaspoons and mix it with a quarter cup of hot water, or sorry, of water, and a quarter cup, 1 cup of hot milk, or 2 teaspoons of milk mix with a quarter cup of water and a cup of cold milk plus ice. Hold on. Nutrition facts: 5 calories per cup, which is 2 teaspoons, right? No fats, cholesterols, or sodium. 9 grams of carbs, and that's all erythritol. Less than 1 gram of protein. Apparently, they don't have a way to account for the monk fruit extract. Okay, so the ingredients, as you saw before, and that's it. Let's go ahead and give it a try now that I've got some hot water. Now I'm doing this a little bit differently from the instructions because usually powders work better with hot water than cold water. And I'm assuming this is not going to be an exception to the rule. So I'm going to put in a little bit of hot water to mix it up, and then I'm going to add cold soy milk. Hold on. So it's got a resealable pouch, which is wonderful. And you can see there's a large silica pouch in here to keep it dry. So that's a good idea. You know, I got this on closeout at Kroger, and it was $4. So I'm just wondering what the original price was, because $4 seems like an awful lot for this, but I know that green tea does tend to be expensive. All right, hold on. So I can honestly say to you that I am not a fan of green tea. Sorry. I'm hoping this will pass my test. But if I don't like it, that's okay. Because, you know, anything that I don't like on my channel, just because I don't like it doesn't mean you're not going to like it. I mean, there are people out there that say the things that I think are disgusting taste great. Half of them are dogs and cats, but just kidding. Just kidding. There are monkeys too. All right, so it's nice and frothy. So remember, when you're buying this, it's not cheap, but you are getting multiple cups of green tea out of it, and you will be able to just drink straight green tea if you want. But if you want matcha latte, you also have to provide your own milk or milk substitute like I do. Now, this reminds me, because it's mostly soy milk, right? And just a little bit of milk, water. This reminds me of some matcha green tea. Oh, sorry, matcha is green tea. This reminds me of some matcha soy milk that I got at Jungle Gyms in flavor. So my daughter loves that stuff. She'd drink it constantly if I could afford to bring it home all the time. But yeah, this is actually pretty good. It has a nice flavor. And again, because it's just matcha, just green tea, you can have a straight cup of green tea if that's what you prefer. But you'll probably have to use, I don't know. Give it a try if you ever buy something like this, and let me know how it works out. I'm going to give this a 7.5. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.